Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In this video, we will learn about blood circulatory system. Blood circulating system consists of blood, heart and blood vessels. Blood we had already discussed in the previous video and blood vessels will be discussed in the next videos. So in this video, we will discuss about heart. Heart is the central body where blood is collected and pumped out to the whole body. It is mainly originated by mesoderm. There are two types of heart, that is tubular heart and chambered heart. Tubular heart found in non-chordates and chambered heart found in vertebrates. And on the basis of stimulation, heart is of two types, that is neurogenic heart and myogenic heart. As the name suggests, neuro, that stands for neurons and that is associated with nervous system. So in neurogenic heart, when heartbeat is controlled by the ganglia or neurons associated with the heart, that heart will be named as neurogenic heart. It is found in arthropoda and annelida. The origin of heart beating is totally under control of nervous system. So if nerve supply to the heart is cut, then heart immediately stop to function. Next one is myogenic heart. As the name suggests, myo, that means it stands for muscles. So in myogenic heart, when heartbeat is controlled by the modified muscles itself, and those modified muscles are named as pacemaker or SA node. The role of nervous system is only to alter the beating rate. Alter means it may either increase the beating rate or decrease the beating rate. So if the nerve supply is cut from the heart is still continue to beat. So heart transplantation is possible in case of myogenic heart. Next is, all vertebrate possesses a muscular chambered heart. There are two chambered heart, three chambered heart, incomplete four chambered heart and complete four chambered heart. We will discuss all these heart one by one. So first of all, two chamber heart. It is found in fishes, have an atrium and a ventricle. The first chamber where impure blood of whole body is collected called atrium or auricle. The second chamber by which blood is pumped out towards gills is called ventricle. Two special chambers are also found attached to that type of heart. First is sinus venosus and second is conus or bulbus arteriosus. So first of all, what is sinus venosus? It is situated before atrium and impure blood of whole body is collected prior to atrium. Second one is conus or bulbus arteriosus. This chamber is situated after ventricle. The name conus or bulbus arteriosus is according to that whether it will found in cartilaginous species or found in bony fishes. So if it is found in cartilaginous fishes, it will named as conus arteriosus, or it will found in bony fishes, it will named as bulbus arteriosus. In this type of heart, that is two chambered heart, only impure blood is flows across the heart. So it is called venous heart. Two chambered heart is also known as venous heart, as only impure blood is flows across the heart. Now we will see the diagram. This is the diagram of two chambered heart, in which you can see sinus venosus, auricle or atrium, ventricle, bulbus arteriosus, conus arteriosus and to the gills. Now we will see the circulation of blood in two chambered heart. So first of all, impure blood due to metabolism will be received by sinus venosus, and after sinus venosus it will received by auricle or atrium. Then it will goes to the ventricle. Ventricle pump out the blood to bulbus arteriosus and conus arteriosus, and through that the impure blood will goes to the gills, and in gills the blood will get purified and every cell of body will get the purified blood. And after that, impure blood due to metabolism again received by sinus venosus, and the whole cycle will repeat. I hope you will get it. Now we will discuss about three chambered heart. It is found in amphibians. In three-chambered hearts, there are two atria and single ventricle. In the right atrium, impure blood is collected from body through sinus venosus, and in left atrium, pure blood from lungs is collected. In ventricular region, both type of blood is mixed. So mixed blood is pumped out from the ventricle to all parts of body through truncus arteriosus. Now we will see the diagram. Here you can see the left atrium, right atrium, right atrium, sinus venosus, ventricle, and this is the truncus arteriosus. Now we will see the blood circulation. So the impure blood from body will received by sinus venosus, and after sinus venosus it will goes to the right atrium, and after right atrium the impure blood will goes to the ventricle, and the pure blood from lungs will received by left atrium, and left atrium will pass the pure blood to the ventricle, and in ventricle there is mixed blood, and this mixed blood is pumped out to the whole body through truncus arteriosus. I hope you will get this. Now we will discuss about four-chambered heart. Four-chambered heart are of two types: incomplete four-chambered heart and complete four-chambered heart. So first of all, incomplete four-chambered heart. Incomplete four-chambered heart are found in reptiles except crocodiles. In incomplete four-chambered hearts have two atrium and one ventricle, and that one ventricle is with incomplete septa. So there is also no separation of pure and impure blood. You will see this in diagram. So here is the diagram. In this you can see that this is sinus venosus, right atrium, left atrium, and ventricle, and this ventricle is without incomplete septa. That means that this four-chambered heart can be complete if this septa will be the perfect one and the complete one, but in this septa is incomplete, so it is considered as incomplete four-chambered heart. Now we will see the circulation. The impure blood from body collected by sinus venosus. After that sinus venosus, the blood will goes to the right atrium, and after right atrium the blood will goes to the ventricle, and the pure blood from lungs will received by left atrium, and the pure blood after left atrium will goes to the ventricle. In ventricle there is mixed blood, and this mixed blood will goes to the whole body with the help of truncus arteriosus. But in incomplete four-chambered heart, truncus arteriosus is less developed. Now we will discuss about complete four-chambered heart. Complete four-chambered heart is found in crocodiles, birds, and mammals. This heart have two atria and two ventricles. Now we will see in the diagram. First of all, we will see the crocodile heart, then bird's heart, and then mammalian heart. In crocodile heart, there is no sinus venosus. Sinus venosus is get in the reduced form. So there is proper demarcation of right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. In complete four-chambered heart, there is proper formation of complete septa between right ventricle and left ventricle. So it is considered as complete four-chambered heart. But in this heart, truncus arteriosus is absent, and in presence of truncus arteriosus, there is presence of pulmonary aorta and right and left systemic arches. In crocodile heart, right and left systemic arches are present, and pulmonary aorta is present, right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. But the sinus venosus is reduced and truncus arteriosus is absent. Now in bird's heart, there is only present of right systemic arch, and rest of the structure is same. That is right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Sinus venosus is in reduced form, but Pulmonary aorta is the same structure, but only right systemic arch is present. There is no presence of left systemic arch. In mammalian hearts, there is only left systemic arch. Rest of the structure is same pulmonary aorta, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, but only left systemic arch is present in this. In a four-chambered heart, the right portion of heart contains impure blood, whereas the left portion contains pure blood. So complete separation of pure and impure blood is seen in four-chambered heart. Earlier we have discussed in two-chambered heart there is only impure blood. In three-chambered heart and incomplete four-chambered heart there is mixed blood. And there is no demarcation between pure blood and impure blood. But there is completely demarcation and separation of pure and impure blood in complete four-chambered heart. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.